Now listen up. If I had to start from scratch today, here's exactly how I would choose the perfect online business, because I wouldn't want to be like some persons who starts the wrong online business and quits before they even make their first $100. If that resonates with you, watch this video till the very end and don't skip the process, because you might just skip the parts that relate to your current situation. If you've ever considered starting an online business, making money online, or even building a side hustle that keeps paying the bills over and over again without having to depend on your 9-to-5 job, this video will save you months of trial and error. Keep watching. Hey there, you're welcome. It's Victor here. Thanks for joining. Here on the channel, we help you discover your passion, build a skill around it, grow, and monetize. If that sounds interesting, do also subscribe and turn on your post notification, because today I'll be walking you through how to figure out which online business is right for you. The one you can start, grow, and actually profit from. Whether as a complete beginner, or you need a side hustle, or you want to build something sustainable long-term. By the end of this video, I'll show you practical steps on how to start, choose, and run a profitable online business that suits your lifestyle. Now, here's the thing. With so many options out there, such as freelancing, e-commerce, YouTube, affiliate marketing, it's easy to get overwhelmed. The real question isn't what's the best online business out there, but what's the best online business for me? That's you. Now stick around as I walk you through 5 clear steps, share real examples, and point out current trends so you can start making a confident choice without wasting months going in circles. Now the first step is start with why and your reality. First things first, before picking any business model, you need to be clear on your why. Why do you want to start this business in the first place? Do you just need extra cash? Or are you trying to replace your 9-to-5? Or are you trying to build an asset that can grow over time and you can possibly sell it off in the nearest future? Your why will guide everything. Now, pair that with your reality, your available time, your budget, and your current skills. Quick example, if you have few hours in a week and you have 0 startup funds and you need urgent 2K, that you need money urgently, say in the next 30 days or less, freelancing or selling a simple service online will get you moving faster than trying to launch a full e-commerce store. The second step is match your skills with market demand. Now let's talk skills. What do you already know how to do? Is it writing, design, video editing, videography, photography, photo editing, web development, programming, coaching, mentoring, or even selling? The thing is, matching your skills with market demand will set you on the right path. Because here's the thing, match your skills with what the market is already paying for. And trust me, the demand is huge. Freelancing is booming worldwide. Most people are working remotely these days from the comfort of their homes. And businesses are hiring online talents these days like never before. That means if you can do something valuable today, there's most likely a client or a customer waiting for you out there. And the internet space is big and everybody has equal opportunity to succeed. Now here's a quick story. I worked with a teacher who loved explaining things. Instead of chasing random business models, she started coaching and creating micro courses. Within the month, she was earning a steady income because she leaned into her natural skills and met market demands. Now, before I go to the third point, if you're getting value already from this video, do well to like, share your thought in the comment section below this video, and do well to subscribe. Share this video to as many persons as possible so we can reach as many persons as we possibly can. Now, let's go on to the next one. Now, the third point is choosing your business model. Now, once you've been able to match your skills with market demand, the next step is to decide on what business model to deploy. Think of it like picking the right lane on a highway. Of course, you know that each lane have their different speed limits. And here are the big 4 online business models to consider. The first is services. Freelancing, coaching, mentoring, and the likes. This model is faster to start, has a low startup cost, but you trade your time for money. How amazing is that? The second is digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates, resources, and the likes. This model has a scalable and high margin, but need time to create and market. The third is e-commerce. This model has a high growth potential, but requires handling products, ad, and customer service. Last but not the least, affiliate marketing and content. This model has low overhead, can scale well, but requires building an audience or traffic. The bigger the audience, the better the results. Now, here's a quick tip to consider. If you need money very fast, in this case, service wins. If you want something scalable, digital products and affiliate programs are great. If you love products and logistics, then e-commerce should be your go-to thing. Now, back to our main points. The fourth step. Validate before you build. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They spend days, weeks, and months building or creating a course, a store, a website, a brand, a business template, only to realize that nobody actually wants it. How frustrating can that be? Only if they had validated their business idea or choose the right business model, that would have saved them a lot of premium tears. And truth is, this is where most people back off and not do again. And not kill anybody. My money I won't make online. Avoid premium tiers by validating and testing your idea before you go all in. This can save you a lot of stress. Now, here's a few easy way to go about it. Put up a simple landing page about your product or business or services and see if people will actually sign up. Offer your services to a small group of people at a discounted rate and get feedbacks. Create and run a low-budget social media ad to see if anyone cares to click. Now, having done this, you'll be able to tell if your business, your service, or your product is appealing enough to the general audience. That way, you'll be able to get feedbacks and be able to do things differently, fine-tune your product, and then put a better version out there to stay in business. Now, here's a quick story. A client of mine tested her mini course idea by pre-selling only 10 spots. She didn't even have the course finished yet and completely done with, but those initial sales proved demand and gave her the funds to actually put it together and finish the products. That's validation. Congratulations to you. I trust you're getting value for your time already. I'm really excited about this video because I know this video is about to put you on a different pace on your online journey and help you to accelerate to greater heights. If you've made it to this point of the video, help us share this video and like this video. Comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel and help us hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And we will love and appreciate your support. Thank you. Let's go back into the video. Now, the fifth point is pick your traffic channel. At this very point of the video, I believe you've gotten your why, your skills, your business model, and you've already validated your idea. Having these factors together brings us to this very point, picking your traffic channel. Now, your next question should probably be, how will people actually find me? And this is where traffic comes in. But don't spread yourself too thin. Pick just one or two traffic channels that matches your strength. Don't overdo it. Just do your best and be consistent at it. If you love creating videos, you should probably consider YouTube and TikTok. If you're into writing, a blog, LinkedIn, and an email newsletter will do you just good. If you want quick exposure and visibility, then you should consider investing in a quick social media campaign that will skyrocket your visibility and exposure in such a short time frame. Recent study shows that SEO, which is search engine optimization, and websites are still strong for long-time ROI, that's return on investment, while social media and live stream selling are great for short-term visibility and exposure. Now, decide whether you're playing the long-term game, the short-term game, or even the both, which is still profitable afterwards. Now, here's a bonus tip for you for having made it to this point of this video. I really appreciate your love and support and for sticking with me till this very point. Do the money check. It does sound strange. Don't worry, I'll break things down. Before you wrap things up with your business, product, or service, always do a quick money check. Now, if it costs you $10 to acquire a single customer, ensure you earn at least $30 from them in return in order to stay profitable. Otherwise, you're rather losing than earning. And that's not good for business. It's not complicated finance. That's simple finance for you. It just tells you that, look, you can't afford to work so hard for nothing. You have to take home something afterwards. To keep things short, so this video won't be very lengthy, hurry down to the description of this video where I'll be listing the 5-step roadmap to choosing a profitable, a sustainable, and the right online business for you. Now, do how to engage with the links in the description of this video. Like, comments, and share this video to as many persons as possible so we can reach as many persons as we possibly can. We're on a journey to 10,000 subscribers before the year runs out. That's in the next couple of months. So help us achieve this milestone, and we will greatly appreciate your love and support. Thanks for watching this video. Now, in all this, it wouldn't be fair to watch this video and not do anything about it. Take action today. Your future business awaits. See you on the brighter side. Follow me on all my social media handles and stay connected. Until I come your way again, peace.